this is that intrusion. Spending like we got them ends, this is that conclusion. You should bring your friend again, I find that shit amusing. Take a shot, you see it, now you don't, that's the illusion. Yeah, I'm packing clubs, best believe I'm on my caddy flow. I guess that is apparent, even your mom and your daddy know that I put on that dope show. Show them just what man's about, and they rooting for the kid, that's because I'm branching out. Gotta keep it moving, sorry baby, I don't like to wait. I'm hungry and I'm driven, can you please get me your license plate? Girl be feeling it, they killing it, I see them dead chicks. Got that money, they stick to you, yeah I guess that bread sticks. Nigga got a vision, I don't think you see it well. Over when the fat lady sings, do you see it well? I am young and I am reckless, plus I'm hung just like a necklace. Go against me and you're screwed, so Texas. My God, book them shows, the only gigs you got is on your iPod. You are off the mat and you talking about your swag. Only label that's behind you is a motherfucking tag. And I've been grinding steady, so when the timing is ready, don't bring them funny verses, I ain't talking about Mazzetti. I'm reaching for the throne, cause I know that you can't stand me. And a nigga never idle, and you looking like Randy. Plan B, nah, this my chance to be in the record books. They say what comes around goes around, tell me how this record looks. Cause once it gets 180, that's the day they gonna pay me. Cause I've been paying these dues and it's been driving me crazy. So let's just make a toast and let's just get a buzz, saying hi to what will be, saying bye to what we was. And if I'm gonna make it, we'll see. But I can guarantee that you should focus on me. I'm a new son. Life is not what it seems, just a kid with a dream. I'ma do it till the day that I die. Pour the bottles up, cause we don't give a fuck. Get a drink and throw it in the sky. You can be mad, but it's fuck with your head, cause I'm coming and I'm taking your spot. Never gon' quit, middle fingers what they get. Let them know I give it all that I got.
When I ride up, not too many that can fuck with me. Never hung up on the bullshit, I can't afford that type of luxury. How'd I get so faded? How'd I get so faded? I'm about to do a show in Paris, I swear I'm feeling like I made it. Making deposits off of being a prophet, turning visions into riches, way too big for my pockets. Baby girl, I'm a star, I suggest you acknowledge while you were scaling out your pride. I was weighing my options like ain't no room in my pictures for bitches I end up cropping. I've been moving and flipping and living life like I'm popping. I'm the young yacht owner, bitch, and I'm not sober. Yeah, they had me on probation, but I'll be done in October. Come on. You don't have to love me, love me.